So I just get tired of having to carry all of these gas tanks, 5-gallon gas tanks, out to the boat and then stand there with a tall funnel trying to slowly pour that gas into my boat gas tank. And by the time it's halfway through, my back's killing me and I just don't care anymore. I'll put the tank down and just go with a half a tank. Who wants to do that? I want to be able to put gas in my boat similar to the way you put gas in your car, which is almost effortless, right? Well, I found one of those electric gas pumps that you put into the 5-gallon gas tank. You stick the other end into your gas tank itself. You turn it on and it pumps the gas into your gas tank. That's all fine and dandy, but you got to replace the batteries and there's no real way to shut them off except to shut the button off. It doesn't shut off automatically. There's no way to let go of a little handle and it stops pumping. So next thing you know, you get gas pouring out all over the place. Well, finally, I have cured the issues and I am so happy. I found this gas pump that first and foremost comes put together. You actually don't have to put it together. It's all ready to go. It has a place up here that would fit whatever size gas tank you're using. So you can screw this on here, screw it onto your gas tank, and the suction valve is not going to go anywhere, can't fall out. It's screwed on to your gas cap. And guess what? This has an automatic shutoff sensor. Once the gas tank fills up to a certain point, it will shut off automatically. Okay, I got one more kicker. You thought I was done, right? Because that's awesome enough already. I'm not done yet. This is rechargeable. It's rechargeable with a USB-C cable. No more changing out a bunch of batteries. Just plug it in and charge it up. It's always ready to go for you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, we got the boat gas tank. We've got our 5-gallon gas tank. I'm going to put this cover through the suction valve, screw it in here. I'm going to put my suction valve into the tank and screw it on here. I'm already feeling so much more secure about using this thing already. Seriously. That goes in there, and all you got to do is turn it on, and there it goes. Unbelievable. This bad boy pumps 3.2 gallons per minute. That's an amazing amount of gas in a short amount of time. This 5-gallon gas tank will be empty like that. So when you're done, you let the gas kind of roll down this right here. Hold it up in the air as you take it out. The gas runs back down inside the gas tank here. You got a nice empty hose. No spills, no leaks. And since this is the usual size gas can that I always use, and I don't really have anything different that I would be hooking up to this right now, I'm going to leave that gas tank cap right on there. I mean, what more could you really ask for? It's rechargeable, stops on its own, screws into the gas tank. I feel blessed. You've got to get one of these.